Yes, and this season we're doing smoothies right here on Smoothie Sailing. Smoothie Sailing! And Daria, today the name of the smoothie is Pink Roses.
Pink Roses. And the ingredients are pomegranate, Greek yogurt, honey.
Okay, Daria, are you ready?
Yeah.
I want you to put in some yogurt, okay? Go ahead. So Daria, I think this is looking a little thick, so maybe guys, basically if it is looking a little bit thick to you, if you want to just add a little bit of water to lessen the consistency of the thickness, you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in some water. Okay Daria, now the last ingredient, let's go ahead and put in pomegranates. No, pour it in. Yes, you can try it. Try it. Do you want to try it? Try the pomegranate. Not over the bowl. Not over the bowl. Try it. Mmm! Yummy, right? Okay, now let's go ahead and put the pomegranate in here. Come on.
There's a seed.
No, pomegranates have seeds in them, but it's okay, Daria. Come on, pour in the pomegranate. Okay, Daria, now we're gonna go ahead and blend this. And remember, guys, right at the end.
Got honey.
Yes, exactly. Right at the end, when we put them in glasses, that's when
This is honey for the top.
Yes, exactly. Exactly what she said. Honey for the top. So as soon as you're done blending it and you pour it into the glass, we're going to put a little bit of drizzle of honey right in the glass. Okay, shall we go ahead and blitz it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now we're going to put in some umbrellas and a drizzle of the honey. Do you want to do the honey drizzle? Yeah. First you have to swirl it like this. And I'm going to turn this around. Swirl it like this and then pour it in. Come on. Slowly, slowly. There you go. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Slowly.
Now your turn.
Do you want to choose your straw?
Yeah.
What color?
Pink.
Pink? Pink polka dots. Yes, to lift it up with the pink roses.
I don't like it.
Okay, I guess that's just the final verdict.
I don't like pomegranate seeds.
So guys, if you want, you can even strain the pomegranate seeds right at the end, right before serving, in case your child doesn't like seeds. But this is a great recipe because it only has 2 ingredients, really easy, really quick to make, and it's, of course, very healthy.
Bye!
Bye, we'll see you next time!
Please subscribe. And the last ingredient is maple syrup.
Yes, maple syrup. I need you to put in 2 spoons of maple syrup.